Alright guys, what we have here is a Toyota Echo 4-door sedan. He gave me a shout a couple days ago and he needs some help. He just has some basic tools in his garage and I'm here to help him out. You know, stop by with the family, bring food and beer, stay for supper while they're cooking. I'll be working in the garage. So for the past 2 days, what they've done is trying to take out this rear shocks. You can tell it's laying down right there now. It's out of the vehicle. The problem is this stud right here. There's a stud stick out right here for the bottom of the shocks that's supposed to go in. Somehow when they tried to take out the bolt, the stud broke. So they trying to cut some pieces off. This is what the stud look like, supposed to be. They cut some off. They thought that I told them that maybe you just need to pound it out because it sees, you know. But seems like it's all welded in there. Look at this. There's no threads, or there's no way that you can turn the stud off this trailing arm. Same thing on this side. You could tell. So try so many things to take that off. They put a pin and then a hammer and hammer it out. It won't come out. Spray some penetrating fluid. It won't come out. So I guess the best tools to fix this job is you know how to drill it out. Now to drill to make a hole, and then use this bushing kit here to replace that old stud. And I got some nuts and bolts and washer. It's pretty big bolts. If this doesn't work, we'll try another option. I got some drill bits that we need here. Definitely need the big one here, so we'll give it a try. Alright, so we'll set it up here and we'll find out, see how it goes. Alright, so I start drilling this hole already with a small bit. Start with the small bit, and then after, if we go through the other side, we'll go with the bigger bit. So it's easy for the bit to go in to the hole. So we're gonna just keep drilling and keep drilling till we get to the other side. There you go. We went to the other side now. Now we could put the bigger bit. There we go. A bit of lube in there. Almost there. Alright, gonna smooth this off a little bit more, and then let's install that kit after. Alright guys, so after grinding this thing smooth, it looks nice and ready to install that kit. I'm gonna have to probably make it a little bit smaller here, a little bit smoother, and clean all that off. Same thing on the inside. Just gonna have to clean that off. So we're gonna line up the kit, see if it goes in there. All right, so there's the kit. This little double threaded stub shaft looking, goes like that. Bolts on the inside, bolts on the outside, and that's what's replaced that seized up broken stud right there. That's what it replaced. All right, so let's take a look on the shocks side, how this thing sits. Right, here's the shocks, the replacement one. Here's the old one right there. I'm just gonna show you guys the old one because I don't want to take out this wire right here that keep the this shaft in place. So I'm gonna show you on this worn out one. So it goes like that. Okay, then bushing, sorry, washer, and then a nut, and then you know this one is on the vehicle side. So it goes like that, tighten them up, and then it's ready to go. All right, let's show you guys on the vehicle. And then this goes like that, and then you put a nut on the inside like that. You're gonna tighten that nut in. All right, guys. So that nut, you use 19mm wrench. I'm just gonna have to manually tighten this up. Just like that. It's nice and snug. You can see it's spinning. It's probably better when you have the shocks installed in the nut and washer here. This will not spin. So we're just gonna leave it for a while. It's snug already because it's spinning. No, I can't hold it from here because I got nothing to hold on. So let's tighten it up later when I got the shocks installed. All right, guys, let's prep this shocks with this dust boot back in here. Quickly just take out the spring. It will compress the, see the shock rod is coming out quick here. So better put this on here first before it gets too long. And just like that, just hold it down, and then make sure you put the boot here nice and snug. And then you put the upper mounts after. Rubber dust boot is installed. You install this in the vehicle, and then after that, on top is this upper mounts. The rubber is on the outside, the metal piece is the inside, and then you put the washer after, like that. Okay. So let's install this on the vehicle now, and let's see how it looks like. All right, here we go. Just like that, and then line up this rod into the body of the vehicle. There's a hole where the rods comes out, and then just line it up, and then it would just eventually move up automatically. And now let's put the washer in here like that, and then the nut. And now I can tighten this bolt on the outside, same thing on the inside. That one is 11/16, so 11/16 here, and then 19 on this side. Yeah, I need more room. I need to bring this suspension up high so it's more room down here because I'm hitting the wrench on the floor. So let's do that when I got the upper mounts installed. Alright, so we're back inside the car, the back of the driver's seats. There's that piece of rod right there sticking out. Now I'll put the upper mounts. So it looks like it needs to be stretched more. Alright, that is snug and tight. That's good. Let's put all the trim back together. And then put the back seat headrest back in. And then this side is done. Alright guys, so that rear lower bolt kit looks good to me. That kit helps big time instead of putting a bolt down there or a regular bolt and nut. So looks nice, looks stiff. It's pretty stiff. Looks like it's gonna work. Upper mounts is done. So that's what it looked like on the left side, and then that's what it looked like on the right side. That's what the original looked like. Studs coming out of the trailing arm, going to the lower shocks, and then that's what the kit repair looked like. Looks good. Never used that kit before, and that's what the aftermarket recommend to use it. I don't mind using that. Works perfect. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, get a good subscribes. Trying to bring up my subscriber up here. So again, make sure subscribe and give me a like. So with this video, I'm gonna close it down. Just need to put the tire back in, put the lug nuts back in, and torque it to spec, and then take out the jack stand, take out the jack. So this car is gonna be back on the road again, and then we're gonna do next time. We're gonna do the front struts, both sides, and then I'll show you guys how to do that one. Right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.